Mushimani wa kajunene ya kiama kia waipane hoitwa ria kunyita mbaru thirikari ya President Uhuru Kenyatta rikinyanirio na muno guoka ni bara ya kung'ethanira na ugumania.
Ni jukumu letu tunaporudi mashinani, hata kwa county assemblies zetu, hata kwa executive zetu, kumuunga rais mkono kwa swala hili nyeti ambalo limerudisha Kenya nyuma, swala la corruption.
Kiama giki gikiuga ikinya riakio ria kunyita thirikari mbaru gutiri handu rikumaregeria uigiririkiini wakio hari guthurima migendere ya thirikari ta mung'ethaniro.
Our intention is to remain as opposition, but on those items that are for the benefit of mwananchi tutaunga mkono kikamilifu bila hata kusita. Na pia ijulikane, it's always good to be at the negotiating table.
Even if there is an unfolding government of national unity in terms of people sitting at the table together, negotiating together, seeing that the future of our country is secure, it doesn't mean that within that framework, things that are wrong it cannot be said they are wrong. Just like we are saying corruption is wrong, therefore it has to be corrected.
Kiama giki oroho gikiuria mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga na Moses Wetangula wa Ford Kenya matigane na bara iria marauga itire kiene ciigie no winasa na no utariho.
I want to just ask all the coalition members not to encourage unnecessary fighting, because I know that Honorable Wetangula has moved on after he was removed from the position of the minority leader in the Senate. That is now part of our history, and he has moved on. So let's not encourage division. I will personally not accept a situation like that.
Mushimani-ini ucio noho kiama kiugite ati ni gikaruta uria ukarirukia federa ya kururira giturwa kia president githurano-ini twerekeire. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Macharia wa Mugo.